Okay, here you go. What's popping, guys?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm here with my friend Kendan. If you've seen any of my flipping videos before, you probably know him. So we're going to be biking to this place called Waterfall Falls, where there's some cliff jumping places there. We're going to be biking there just to make it a little bit more fun. It's only about 13 miles of a bike ride, so it'll probably only take about an hour. Also, this is going to be one of my last summer videos, even though technically school's already started for me. But making a video at Waterfall Falls was one of the items on my summer bucket list. I'm hoping to backflip and maybe a few other flips off the cliffs, and I think Kenan's going to be throwing double back, so hopefully he doesn't die.
Like last time.
And just a quick reminder that I'm going to be redrawing the winner of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway of the Supreme t-shirt. I'm going to be drawing that on August 31st, so make sure you've entered the giveaway. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and enter through the link down in the description. So make sure you guys are entered for that, and good luck to everyone who's entering. Now we're going to be starting this bike ride, so let's switch over to the GoPro. Into that truck. We're about 3 miles in. Got about 6 miles now. Dude, there's a car pulling out. She didn't see me. She slammed on her brakes. Like it almost hit me. That would have been cool. Dang, that's pretty fast to get here. Starting the ride back up again, let's get it. Escada! We're crossing here? Go here? Sketchy. We're at Waterfall, so. Oh, okay. Holy. That was a pain. Almost to the falls. That's a tough hill to go down. We made it, boys. Alright guys, me and Kendan just got to the falls. We already did a couple test jumps, and that's why my hair is messed up so bad, but now we're going to be getting some GoPro and drone shots. Kendan is thinking of throwing double backflip off the cliffs, and I'm still wanting to just get a single backflip. So let's just get right to it. Huh? Whatever, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you got it. Ready? Yeah. There we go. Oh, there we go. dusty. Kendan, quiet, up. You just literally caused a dust storm.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna have to clean off my lens. Okay, go get the GoPro on.
I'm just gonna jump.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the
Came off. It hit me in the face. It's not that bad.
sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain.
I think my chin is bruised. Is it actually?
There's 2 cuts right here.
Really? Yeah, the GoPro gave me a good whack in the chin.
That's probably why it hurts so bad.
Dude, it literally split open my chin. It actually split open the skin.
See the damage?
Ow. Do it right here, Kendan. Okay, I'm just gonna jump, come back around, and then.
Okay, go. Here we go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god.
Kendan has to go,
Bye.
but I might try and find someone to film. Bye, Kendan.
Bye, Micah. Oh, I hit the camera too.
Yeah.
Alright, second back.
So Kendan already left, but I did get over the fear of my backflips off the falls. I want to come back later and get some more flips like front 180 and maybe try for double backflip, but it seems a bit scary. I also want to get the backflips off the higher cliffs, but I didn't really have much time here. Kendan tried to double backflip off the cliff a week or 2 ago, but he did over rotate and hit his back pretty bad. Unfortunately, we don't have a video of that though. But right now I'm walking to get picked up because I really just don't want to bike back. And then I think we're going to be going to dinner. I don't think I'm going to be filming any of that, but there's a possibility I might if we do anything afterwards. So I'll see you guys there.
I know you're somewhere, somewhere.
Alright guys, so we just finished dinner and now we're at the beach at Birch Bay. We just took some pictures here at sunset and I also got some backflip videos off this concrete slab I found. Overall, I'd say today was a success. I crossed off a summer bucket list item, which was flipping off the falls. Unfortunately, we didn't have a lot of time to film the falls and we had to go home a little earlier than I expected. So Kendan didn't get to do his double backflip, but hopefully we're gonna go back and film again and do that someday. So if you guys like this video, make sure to drop a thumbs up. If you haven't entered my giveaway already, make sure to do that. It's gonna be the first link in the description. Comment down below if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos like this. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next Thursday.